This video was supposed to be about how you change the pen refills, and I realized that it's not easy to find pen refills anymore. It's very difficult to actually find. For example, this pen, I like the shape of it, I used it for a while, and the ink in the pen, this is the gel pen, those liquid ones, it was finished. The actual quality of the writing was never really good on this, but I like the feeling of the pen, and I didn't throw it away. I thought I'll buy some pen refills. So guess what happens? I guess you could guess now. I bought these ones. They're another brand, Pentel. I didn't really hear about this before. All I knew was Stedler or Bic. Bic is the most popular one really around here, and Stedler and Faber-Castell. This one is Pentel and it's made in Japan, surprisingly. That's interesting. And it's 0.5 metal tip. I thought they're all metal tips, I don't know about that, but I bought these refills because I bought before other refills for other pens and they were compatible. Not the thin ones that the most common pens have, but this type of refill. This looks really nice, and the gel inside, I'm not really a big fan of these gel refill pens, but this was the only pen refill I could find in the store, in the supermarket. No other brand had the refills available. Only in another supermarket I found some big pens with one pen and two of those thin refills, but the pen can last a really long time and you can write a lot with the pen, and you might want to refill it many times, use the refill. Here I was going to have a bit of a surprise.
Oh no. Maybe it will fit. We won't even go inside the pen. Okay. So it's not going this way.
I should have really checked the size of the refill before buying the new ones, but I thought really these are more or less the same. They're not the same. This doesn't fit. So yeah, that one goes back in. I will not throw away the pen. I might find another refill that will be kind of compatible, but this Stabilo pen, it was nice, but no refills, big thumbs down. Really, you should be careful when you buy the pens. I would say really these days, when you buy a pen, make sure they also sell refills for it, because it's really, it's a bit difficult. There is also another argument that the refills, like this refill was about €1.20, and the pens,
I will just buy the same brand pen and throw this one in the garbage.
I already bought two other pens from the same brand, Pentel, and the size of the refill is matching. There is the argument that now the pens are cheaper, like this model, it would be not worth it to change the refill, but if they would sell these really basic, the most basic pen refill is this one with the basic pen ink. It's not really, it's very thick, this not gel, the old style, and they would be very cheap, but they don't sell them, and if they would sell them, they would be probably more expensive than it's worth. And also the Pentel refills, they are 1.2 or 1.3 euro, and the pen itself, I bought two pens, I'll make another video with those. They are 270 and 280, so about 3 euro versus 1.5, it's half price of the pen. But the most important thing with the refills for pens, the sellers should be forced to really sell the refills. These days we don't use pens a lot, but they are still sold, they are still used, and it would be great to have the option to refill the pen if you need to. I only found this brand Pentel with refills. What do you think about this? Thanks for watching.